look to you. From Canada to Jamaica, you understand?
That is it.
There you go.
Montreal, I drive. I look for arrest. I look for arrest at restaurant. We have got money. 6 hours and 17 minutes. We now drive a Benz today. Or park a Benz. Destination, just reach a Montreal in a restaurant tomorrow. So yes, so we are stay people. Shoes are gonna get. We drive almost 7 hours to come get a meat. Like I know, man, you have to get something. So you have to go search. Right, I know, minus 13 degrees. See if we can grab something in our McDonald's. It's in French. Change it to English. Right now, finger freeze off people with a small fries. Freeze me and freeze out. So. The fillet combo. Fish fillet with a small fries. Yeah, so we get the order on people. You get the fish fillet and the small fries. I got me in a car out the door too cold. Where people stand. Out the door, me do want to eat the food, yeah? But right now, I don't know, nah man, so fish fillet, you don't have nothing much money. See what I want. Tartar sauce, and them have cheese on it. So I don't know how much I'm giving on the fish fillet. And it's small, man. Small. So not much now I want to feed. So I know out the door I'm trying to eat this. You know, minus 13 degrees, but I can't manage it. I don't know, finger them will freeze. And then nothing normal I go on out this. Canada is not a normal place. Not a normal place, people. Well, alright. See that fish fillet sandwich. I give 10 out of 10. But, and it now have no lettuce pan it nor them thing there. No lettuce, no tomato, you know. I just the tartar sauce and the cheese. I mean, I tell you some people, I give 10 out of 10. No joke. You need to try. No, in an island or no, it's just right. It's just right, people. No joke. It's just right. The seafood are my thing, you know. Seafood are my thing, you know. But I eat seafood every day. Every single day. The sandwich up, man. It's a good look, people. No joke. So I wait on a Montreal. We come try the McDonald's. But we drive 6 hours and 17 minutes just to come try the McDonald's. Out the door in the snow. But you want to eat the food there. But I can't manage that right now. A joke thing. Canada they're on a different level. You know me? I never know how some country I go. You see me? Never do my research for me drive out people. You don't know about this one. You do it same way. You just make a mad drive. So Montreal I go eat some food. And this to the people. Grab a fish fillet at McDonald's. 6-hour drive, 6 hour, 15-minute drive. And I'm not normal people. We're not joke about this thing. I'm not normal this man. Too much salt upon this. You get me what I say? Mmm. 4 out of 10 me give this. So fried up. I'm say if I just them 2 fries out now. I'm consume if I just them on the salt. Fries too salty. McDonald's fries too salty. You see me? So right now, I eat that for me because I'm not eat no more now. You see me? Fries too salty for me to eat that. Let me answer people. My lip burn right. So now I gotta eat that. You see me, sir? I eat that for it enough people. I eat that for today because we drive 6 hours and 17 minutes. 6 hours and 17 minutes. Come on McDonald's and the fish fillet sandwich. We give that a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 we give that. But you see the fries. I give that a 4 out of 10, so that's I eat for today, people. That is it. A good look TV there. The boy Kevin British there. Bless up in the people. Like, share and comment. And subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, people. And without you know we're nothing.
And it's a good look. It's a good look. And it's a good look. It's a good look.